Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick application of 3D with possibly a little bit of Demi to take care of some of these areas that I'm not sure I'll be able to get the coverage that I want. And honestly, when you're doing any makeup, when you have different varying depths of color on your face and you put one layer of makeup over the top, unless you have 100% opacity, it's not going to cover it up, okay? So the whole idea behind 3D versus Demi Colour, which is this one, is that with 3D, you are putting makeup all over your entire face, okay? Now, that's what we've always done, right? So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna do a light 3D application, and we're gonna see how well it does. And if I'm feeling like a couple of these spots are not quite going away, then I'm going to put a little bit of Demi on them. Now, the biggest thing when you are doing this kind of hybrid look is you don't want to be layering and layering and layering the products, okay? They just won't last. And isn't that what we want our makeup to do, is we want our makeup to last? And so it's just really important to go super duper light, which is what I like anyway. I don't want heavy makeup. I just want it to look natural. I just want it to look pretty. I don't want too much product. I just want really nice, natural looking makeup, okay? So I'm gonna actually go in with this one. This is the blush and bronzer brush. This is my speed brush. And I'm going to go into this color right here, which is amber, and I'm gonna place that on my nose. I might have got a little bit of contour on that brush. And anywhere where I kind of have like my nose and my chin, they're a little bit darker, right? And then I'm gonna go into this color, which is Candlelit, and I'm going to move my hair out of the way and very, very lightly, like there's like hardly no makeup on, okay? So I want you guys to don't think that I'm just, when I'm using 3D, it means it's heavy, because it's really not. It's just a completely different concept than Demi Colour, okay? I'm just taking a little bit of Candlelit under my eyes. I haven't even done any color correcting or anything. Let's put a little bit up here on my eyelids. And anytime you have product on wrinkly skin, there's going to be settling, okay? So when you say to me, if you're struggling, the product is settling in my wrinkles, 99% of the time, I'm going to say you're using too much product. Back down. It's just so weird, the small amount of product that we have to use with these products, honestly, with anything with Saint, is such a small amount of product. So anytime you have any settling into the wrinkles, you know you've used too much product. Now, the cool thing about it is, let's say you get a little heavy-handed one day, you just have to touch the product because it's cream, and you can redistribute it without wiping it off. How many of you have tried makeup and then you have to wipe it off and you have to start all over? And it's so annoying. But with this makeup, you don't have to do that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to come over here to my Bella bronzer. I'm still using that same brush, the brush that I did my highlight with. And I'm going to kind of give myself a little bit of a tan. Now you can see that bronzer is a little warmer than my contour, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So sometimes people get confused. Well, what's the difference between bronzer and contour? Well, with bronzer, you want it to be kind of on the high points of your face. It's kind of like where you get suntanned or sunburned, hopefully not. But if you do, these are the places that you can even put it on your nose, on your chin, wherever you get a little bit of sun. But I love this Bella bronzer. I'm telling you, there is nothing like cream bronzer, nothing like cream bronzer in the whole wide world. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this now, and I'm going to go into this one right here. This is Linen. Now, Linen is a really, really light highlight. And I like to put it on the inner corners of my eyes. I could have just done Demi here, which probably would have been better, but I've already done it, and that's totally fine. Let's do a little bit of nose contouring, shall we? I'm going to take my blur brush, and I'm going to dip into my indigo, which is my contour shade, and I'm going to lightly give myself a little bit of a nose contour. And you can like get super detailed with nose contouring. Normally, I'm just really all about speed, but hey, since everything's in one compact, it's really, really easy for me to just dip into the cream and create a little bit of shadow. And kind of make my nose look a little bit thinner. I am not like a professional nose contourer, okay? I'm just your average, everyday person that I swear my nose is growing and getting bigger as I get older. No, it's fine, it's fine. Let's take a little bit of indigo, bring it down on my bottom lip. Give me a little shadow. Let's see if I need to touch up anywhere with Demi. Honestly, it did a pretty darn good job, right? Like, I feel like there isn't a lot. Even down here isn't too bad. I'm just gonna take a little bit of 03. Really, it's not bad. You just have to remember, as soon as you start to layer things, sometimes the longevity I can't even get that color to, okay, did you see that kind of go away? I had to find the right color. And I had these weird shadows. I'm gonna use my smaller brush. I have these weird shadows right here. Let's work on my brows. Guys, that's all. I didn't even have to hardly touch up any Demi. So many times if you are just wanting a couple of colors to kind of take care of maybe a breakout or a specific age spot, you can send me a picture and I can help you choose a couple to start with. And then once you see the magic of Demi, I guarantee you, you'll be back for more. And that's okay, because you can build your compact a little bit at a time. One color at a time. And I'm happy to help you do that. Let's fix this brow. I'm using shadow contour. to just kind of fill in those brows. They're super duper dark. Okay, that looks better, right? Let's put a little bit of lip color on. Let's put a little Summer Love. And a little bit of blush. Let's do Ballerina. So I'm gonna do an eye look. So I wanna keep my blush really soft, and then I can build upon it if I want to. I love Ballerina, you guys. I used to think it didn't show up, but now I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop using it. And then we need a little illuminator, and that's it. Just right on the cheekbones, stay out of the wrinkles. Set with a little setting spray. And now I'm ready to do my eyeshadow. So, let me know if you need help building a compact. If you are interested in adding a little bit of Demi to your compact, you can do that as well. And yeah, thanks for watching.